shining, water bright. Olivia steps where the waves roll slow. Beach walk with Olivia in a gentle flow. From mystery and bays to Dalmatian air, golden coast stretching everywhere. White stone cities near the shore, calling travelers back for more. Slatny rat curves like a golden wing. Far's clear waters softly sing. On Brach the sun warms every stone. Perfect place to be alone. Inside our waves play a melody. Sea organ hums in harmony. Šibenik's fortress guards the bay, watching boats drift far away. Walk with Olivia by the sea. Croatia, where you're meant to be. Blue horizons, warm and wide. Summer dancing with the tide. Beach walk with Olivia, free and light. Croatia shining day and night. Ooh, 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 ooh. Cortula's towers rise in grace. Old stone walls embrace the place. Dubrovnik glows in sunset gold. Every corner calm and old. Kirk Island whispers in the breeze. Pine trees bending easily. Rab's long beaches soft and clear. Invite the world to linger here. But the beaches steal the show. Soft small waves, a quiet glow. Azure water like a dream. Sunlight dancing in a beam. Olivia walks the coastal line. Salt and wind in perfect rhyme. Every bay a hidden piece of summer peace that doesn't cease. From national parks to ancient squares, Croatia heals, Croatia cares. But nothing feels as warm and true as the seaside painted blue. Walk with Olivia by the sea. Feel the calm and energy. Croatia's shores forever bright. A gentle song in pure daylight. Beach walk with Olivia, soft and slow, where every tide tells where to go. So follow waves across the shore. Croatia always offers more. Olivia walks the sun above a coastline made for summer love.
Вроде как душ холодный, а потом в итоге полезно.
Baš to ko Solisova stranica. Aha, je da skupiti njihove, tako je što to ne aranžirana taky sady.